So that concludes our unit. As you can see, we provide our students a wide variety of options and choices and different ways of learning, different visuals, and hands-on objects. So one of the main ways, though, that we do provide differentiation is by providing our students those architecture video resources. So as you're seeing on the screen, this is actually a screenshot of what that document looks like, and it gives you just a quick brief description of what each link will bring you to a video of and show you how to do. So there's so many different commands and things that students want to need to maybe refresh their memories on that they can use this for. And it's also for our students that get super far ahead, because we have such a wide range of students in our classes that we do have students that are really behind, really ahead, and everywhere in between. So for the students who are ahead, they can even use this and look at other commands on there that they haven't learned yet and develop their skills even further in Revit.